I'm Ozbek and today we'll talk about 6 foods better than supplements. Number 1, Brazil nuts, selenium. Brazil nuts contain an enormous amount of selenium. In fact, they contain so much that it becomes toxic if you eat more than just one per day. Selenium is important for the thyroid gland, fertility and immune system. It also works together with vitamin E as strong antioxidant. But as I said, too much can be toxic, so eat only one per day and even not every day, because a single Brazil nut contains about 70 to 90 micrograms of selenium, while the daily recommendation is only 55 micrograms. We're talking about just one nut. Number 2, fish like salmon or sardines, omega-3. Omega-3 is probably one of the most popular supplements out there. In studies, omega-3 has been found to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It also became famous for its support to the brain and for helping with mood issues and depression. So omega-3 is very important. But here's the thing, just one serving of salmon, which is about 100 grams, give you roughly 2 grams of omega-3. This is exactly the amount that most studies found to be effective. If you want a cheaper and more available option, you can choose sardines. Just one small can gives you a similar amount. And as a bonus, you also get calcium from the bones and vitamin D. Also, because sardines are very small, they don't contain a lot of mercury, so it's safer to eat them. Now, I'm not telling you not to use omega-3 supplements. I take it myself. I usually take 2 capsules after lunch because I don't eat fish every week. But if your diet is rich in fish during the week, you probably don't need supplement, or you need just less of it. Number 3, sauerkraut, probiotics. Sauerkraut is one of the healthiest foods out there because it contains friendly bacteria that support the microbiome, which is the bacteria community in our gut. When we have plenty of good bacteria, our immune system functions better and even our mood improves because there is a direct connection between the gut and the brain. Studies have also shown it can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep. It's important to note that I'm talking about real sauerkraut, not the kind you buy in the supermarket, because most of those are pasteurized, meaning the bacteria is dead. It of course depends where you live. Maybe in your country they sell real sauerkraut with real live bacteria, but the best way is to make it yourself. It's pretty easy. If you want me to make a video about how to make sauerkraut, please let me know in the comments and I will make it in the near future. Now, also here it's important to say that I'm not against probiotic supplements. I take them too, because as much as I love sauerkraut, I don't manage to eat it every day, right? So when I take supplements, it's like my insurance that I'm getting enough good bacteria every day. Number 4, bell peppers, vitamin C. Bell peppers contain a huge amount of vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most important antioxidants in the body. It's essential for collagen production, for absorbing iron, and for the immune system. A lot of people take vitamin C supplements, especially in winter, but I personally don't think it's something you need to do, and I will explain why. Foods like bell peppers, guava, kiwi, oranges, and others contain more than enough vitamin C. And for example, just one red bell pepper gives you more than your entire daily requirements of vitamin C. And there is another benefit to getting it from food. You also get other compounds like antioxidants that improve absorption, as well as fiber, which a synthetic supplement doesn't always give you. Number 5, liver, vitamin B12, iron, and vitamin A. Liver is the multivitamin of nature. It's rich in vitamin B12, iron, and vitamin A. B12 is essential for the nervous system and for producing red blood cells. A B12 deficiency can cause fatigue, memory issues, and in the long run, nerve damage. Iron, especially from animal sources, is absorbed much better than iron from plant sources, and it's important for preventing anemia. Vitamin A is important for our eyes, skin, and immune system. And just 50 grams of chicken or beef liver gives you 10 times more than your daily requirements of B12 and a significant amount of iron and large amount of vitamin A and folate. The issue is that a lot of people just don't like the taste of liver, so beef meat can also be a good option. And there are also liver paste, so you can try it also. It's also important to mention that because liver is so rich with vitamin A, it can be dangerous for pregnant women. so it should be completely avoided during pregnancy. And one more thing, women need double the amount of iron compared to men, so it's important to get a blood test for your iron levels, eat accordingly, and if your doctor recommends a supplement, definitely listen to him. Number 6, egg yolks. Choline. Choline is a nutrient that we don't talk about enough, but it's very important and critical. Choline is essential for liver health, brain functions, and the nervous system. It's also especially important for pregnant women for the baby's brain development. Study shows that most people don't get enough choline from their diet. Daily requirement is around 550 milligrams for men and 425 milligrams for women. One egg yolk contains about 150 milligrams of choline, so eating 2 to 3 whole eggs per day cover a large part of your daily requirements. And by the way, this is another reason why you shouldn't throw away the yolk and eat only the egg white. All the good stuff is in the yolk. If you like this video, please let me know by subscribing to the channel. If you have any question, I'd be happy to answer. Thank you for watching.